Alright, so we got some window boxes here that are hanging, and they do have brackets obviously holding them on, but let me show you what I did. It's pretty cool. I put a French cleat on the back side of the window box. Alright, so if you see the 45 here? If you take this and you mount this to your siding like that, so you have your 45 sticking out, and there's like a little ledge back there. This will be attached to your flower box. Alright, once it's attached to your flower box, you just put your flower box against the house like that with this cleat, and you just drop it down in, just like that. So it fits, there's a nice snug fit there, and it should be pretty strong. I did use plastic boards though, so they are flexible, but I think once it's mounted, it'll be fine. Alright, so basically what I did was they put a French cleat. It's a piece of angled board on the back side of this window box. I basically measured from the top of the board to the top of the window box so that it fit inside the siding and slide in real easily. So if you check out this board here, how it's angled in one direction, and the board on the window box angled in the other direction, they just snap together or slide together. Alright, so basically you're going to take this piece here, this 45, and you're going to slide it into this 45 here. So I put it up against the siding, this ridge here, and then I slide it in. And then you have an adjustable, I mean, you can put it to one side or the other, which is really cool, and it's pretty darn sturdy. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the box below and I'll be happy to answer you. Thanks guys.